Luggage Storage Barcelona pricing explained what you get for your money. Luggage Storage Barcelona isn't just a convenience, it's a game changer for travelers who want to explore the city hand-free. Most people get this wrong by assuming storage is expensive or limited to hotels. The surprising truth is there are multiple locations across the city, from train stations to tourist hotspots, offering secure, short-term luggage storage at very reasonable rates. Pricing typically starts at $5 per day for a standard bag. Larger or heavier items may cost $7 to $10 per day. Many locations also offer hourly rates around $1 to $2 per hour, which is perfect if you just need a couple of hours to explore before a late-night flight. You won't believe the variety of services available. Some sites include insurance coverage, access, and even luggage pickup options, making it extremely convenient for busy travelers. Most people get this wrong by comparing only to hotel luggage storage, which can be restrictive and often costs more. The real value comes from flexibility, safety, and the ability to leave your bags near your destination rather than walking around with heavy luggage or paying for expensive lockers. In conclusion, Luggage Storage Barcelona pricing is transparent and affordable. By understanding per day and hourly rates, as well as optional insurance and services, you go from zero to pro in deciding which location and plan maximize your convenience while keeping costs low. It's a practical choice for any traveler looking to enjoy Barcelona hands-free.